Hey!
You better follow no.
We have Reekado Banks with Fireboy with Ozumba Mbadiwe remix. I've been looking forward to hearing this remix. I heard a bit of chatter on this on Twitter about some people saying should he actually have done it, should he not have done it. But at this point people should know. Anyone that's paying attention to music should know the benefits of remixes, why people make remixes, why they make multiple remixes. They're catching up, man. They're catching up to the music industry, and this is just people trying to tap into different segments of the market with multiple hits, or at least to reignite the buzz around the song, to stretch the shelf life of the song. There's so many reasons why people make remixes, and the fact that people ask about why are they making remixes, it happens. It's a capitalism. It's a business. It has to happen, okay? Let's not romanticize music too much, okay? These artists are finding ways to make the best, to milk the best out of their products, okay? Like, I'm not faulting people for doing remixes, like, especially when it's like a very tactical remix. Like, once it's tactical, I know he came out with a remix EP that has a whole plethora of artists from different arenas, and it's smart. People do that. Like, it's smart. You should encourage that. I don't think we should frown on the fact that people are making remixes, man. I don't think we should frown about that. Like, the whole point of remixes is to stretch the song, stretch the shelf life of the song. And if you've moved on from the song, that's fine. It's fine. You can move on from the song and move on to other things. It's music, you can move on. But not everybody has heard Ozumba Mbadiwe. That's what Reekado believes. So he's trying to, like, preach his gospel. Let him preach his gospel, man. But anyway, let's get into the song. Reekado Banks, Fireboy DML with the remix, Ozumba Mbadiwe. Let's go. That guitar, let's go. There's so many reasons why this record is fantastic, man. Hey.
For a long time I've been silent.
Okay.
I don't run out.
Wait. Was it 101 Wami I was hearing in the background right now? Let me hear that again. Is it gonna say 101 Wami in the back?
I don't run out. I've been studying. I'll be on Ozumba Mbadiwe.
Did you re-record this? The vocals feel different.
I'll be on Ozumba Mbadiwe.
Okay. Hey. Fireboy said clear road. Fireboy said clear road. Let's run that intro again. Let's run that. No, the way you enter. No, give Fireboy credit. Nah, that was hard. Hey.
You better follow no. Since 2019 when I damn low.
Hey.
I've been on the road if you don't know.
Hey.
I don't get time for
Okay.
your convo.
Listen. There's no way, like, the inflections within that space of 2 bars, the inflections he did there, that was freaking brilliant.
2019 when I damn low. I've been on the road if you don't know.
Hey.
I don't get time for your convo.
Come on, man, that was great.
Cause the money
Let's
money
go.
want me, but it concern me. I'm
Hey.
in San Francisco, Johnny. So come. Oh yeah, send me my money.
Oh, I thought that was over. Let's go. Not the rock drum rolls. They say in case the money enter, I go de orienta. This nigga, man, come on. That's funny. Ooh, feels. I said feels. Prime. Come on, man. Come on. Hit those guitar rolls. Nah, this is a freaking remix, bro. This is actually made it. Nah, this was fire. Nah, bro. That verse was hard. And I like the fact that the production actually even went with it. Pre-Prime went back to the stems and actually played with it. It felt like a fresh new song. I was even saying it like maybe even Reekado re-recorded his vocals. I won't be surprised if he did because his vocals felt fresh or different. You know what I mean? They actually made the song, tried to make the song feel like its own new record. And the fact that the production was playing along with the build-up and cadence that Fireboy was on, that was mad. The drum rolls of the log drums and Fireboy just spazzing at the same time, that was nuts. That was insane, okay? The way he entered that, nah. This was a dope verse from Fireboy. I know, this is one of the decent Fireboy features, bro. Let's not even cap. I'm thinking about Fireboy features, right? And I'm running through my head now how many features that he has been on. The one with what's it called? The one with Reminisce. The one with freaking DJ Spinall. And maybe though you cannot call those one features because he's like the primary artist, the primary vocalist on them. But the one with what's it called? Jules is nice too. But this might be one of the finest Fireboy remixes. Salty Love is up there. Okay, I won't lie. Salty Love is a dope feature. Probably okay. Maybe Salty Love is the best. But still, this is not far off. Bro. This is not far off. History was good too. But yeah, History with what's it called? Check was a dope feature too. But this might be up there, bro. This was a fire verse. No pun intended. Nah, it was great. This was a great. I don't even know. Like I know like the public opinion on Twitter was kind of like, I don't know, wishy-washy on it. Like some people liked it, some people didn't rate it. I thought this actually advanced and enhanced the song a bit. I think this was a fire second verse because the second verse that in the original was about you say be giant to be giant for your pocket. That was where the political aspect of the song kind of tied into it. So Fireboy kind of replacing the political aspect of the song and then giving it more lamba, giving it more attitude, more like, you know what I mean, more flair. I think it just makes a complete record. It just makes a nice record that is much more objectively romantic as opposed to being a sprinkle of activism. You know what I mean? The sprinkle of activism was taken away a little bit. I liked it a lot. Yeah, this was a dope Fireboy feature. Probably one of the best. I won't lie to you, man. Definitely one of the best. But yeah, how you guys feeling about this? 90% yes. Okay. But the streets were like 60% on this. Like, you know what I mean? 60, 50 maybe. But no, this was fire. This was great. What is everyone saying? And this says, I don't understand how some people can listen to that and say remix wasn't needed. For sure, like, yeah, it's a remix, man. It did its job. Dayo Oluyide says Fireboy did it well. He saved his assignments for sure. Florence says Fireboy vocals are fire. His vocals were fire. Those inflections he was doing and playing with his voice, technically speaking, man, he's up there. Well, he's a soulful artist. Like, he's a vocalist too, man. You can tell he was being playful and flexed. Okay, he flexed those vocals. He flexed those vocals, man. Yes, Mike was saying History, Peruzzi. No, History was with Check. Yeah. But yeah, honestly, one of the best features. Copcam is saying the actual mix on the drums is so much cleaner as well. Much more high end and punch. Like, yeah, I feel like the entire, like, they went back to the original stems and like, yes, let's rework the song. And I think they did a great job, bro. I think P Prime did a great job with this. Those drum rolls, those log drum rolls, the log drum rolls, nasty on that Fireboy verse. Nasty, man. Neo is saying the Harry song, someone said the Fireboy Harry song at Alameda is fire. You guys saw my reaction to that on the live stream. I didn't like Fireboy in that song. I thought it was alright. I thought Harry's song bodied everybody in that song. Harry's song stole the show for me on that record. But anyway, Benedict saying I should play the video. There's a video to the remix. Correct me if I'm wrong. There's a video to remix. What video? What video are you talking about, Benedict? Is there a video, guys? Am I missing something? I don't think there's a video for the remix. Excuse me. Oh man, look at me thinking I wouldn't have energy today with the live stream. Oh, there is a video. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I don't want to play the song twice, but the video would have been dope. But we have so many songs to go through tonight, guys. I don't think I can afford to do that. But yeah, probably I'll check the video out another time. But boy, the audio was already fire, so what else can I say? The videos will be cleaner. But yeah, that was, they have a video. That's mad. But yeah, let's move on actually. Yo, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, it's just my opinion. I would love to know yours in the comment section. That was also a clip off of New Music Friday live stream, where we show up every Friday night, 5:30 EST, 11:30 West African time, where we actually listen to new music, get reactions, and get to vote on each song. It's always a fun ride, so definitely tap in and hit the notification bell if you haven't. Okay, that's when you know when we're live. All right, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the videos on the channel as well. Okay, let's go.